was going to be a ride along. I have my mountain bike here, and we were going to take a bike ride over on a trail in my community. But it just stopped raining. I'm out here on my patio, and that's not going to happen. It's too wet. So go ahead and take this opportunity to thank you all, first of all, for tuning into my channel, and just give you a update on what I've been doing. So I bought this bicycle almost a year ago, and my husband and I, we both bought a bike, and we've just been riding a little bit around the neighborhood here and there, and then summer came and didn't ride much, and my neighbor was constantly saying, "Hey Nita, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride," and I kept putting her off because she's like 20 years younger, and then she military. Okay, so she's like in the best shape of her life. So back in September, a few months ago, she retired, and so now she really starts saying, "Hey, we need to we need to ride, we need to ride." So we started riding, and yeah, first we rode in the neighborhood, then about 3, 4 miles, then I got about 5 miles, and that was pretty good. So after we got to the 5 miles, we kept riding 2 or 3 times a week, and then we got up to 6, 7, 8 miles, and we're doing pretty good. Then Thanksgiving came, and we got kind of sidetracked. Christmas. By that time it was January, and last month it was getting pretty cold, and but we kept riding because it doesn't get that cold here in North Florida. So I got sidelined. I had a little dental surgery, and but now I am back. I'm ready to really vamp up my riding. Spring is right around the corner, and just want you guys to know that's the update on what I'm doing. If you're riding, if you're a rider, give me some tips, because I need them. Eventually, I know I'm going to get another bike. This is a mountain bike. It's kind of heavy, so I really always wanted to have more of a racing bike, and I know I have to build up to that. So thank you guys for watching, and if you're older like me and you love to eat, you have to do something, and you can't just sit around. If you can walk, if you can run, if you can just increase your physical exercise somehow, that's going to benefit you, because if you don't do anything, it's going to catch up with you. And if I can just reach one person and tell them to just get out there, then get out there. So thanks for watching again. Again, leave me comments, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. And I will be sure to give you updates on my progress. Thanks again.